last class we discussed about different types of sexual networks and the networks stuff. Now let us give them continuation of life. Let us give them continuation of life. Already someone of self-defense in last class. Okay. Next, for example, now omnicellular, unicellular. Okay. What? Omnicellular, ecellular. Omnicellular, decellular, acellular. Rudolf Virchow. Rudolf Virchow. Next, other scientist, Robert Remark. Robert Remark. Okay, in the year 1852, he stated very important points about the cell division process. Already we discussed. He conducted different types of experiments on embryos. Ultimately, he stated that. Actually binary fission of cells was means of reproduction of animal cells. During the 1852, Robert Remark conducted different experiments on embryos. Ultimately, he stated that reproduction of animals means in animals, a reproduction process is taken place in the form of binary fission. This statement was proposed by Robert Remark. But later, means the entire process and other reactions of the cell division, they were discovered and well known after some time. For example, another scientist, during 1879, another scientist, Walter Fleming. Who? Walter Fleming. He conducted experiments on number of plant cells and an animal cells. Okay, on plant cells and on animal cells. Ultimately, he stated that string-like structure. What? string-like structures are present. Listen carefully. String-like structures are present inside of the nucleus. Where? In nucleus. String-like structures in nucleus. Important, remember. Okay. Here, Walter Fleming. Who? Walter Fleming. Ultimately, he stated string-like structures are present in nucleus. These string-like structures, so listen carefully, longitudinal division, okay, or they divide, they divide longitudinally. Listen carefully. String-like structure divide longitudinally. These are important statements. Okay, after different experiments by Walter Fleming. Next, later, these string-like structures were named as chromosomes. Were named as chromosome. Listen carefully. But chromosome. Here, what is the meaning of here? Chromosome. Chromosome means colored body. Chromosome means colored body. Okay. Here, this type of why this type of name was proposed to string-like structure. Why means here colored body when they used the listen carefully I mean to see the nucleus and to observe the string-like structures present in nucleus. Usually scientists used to listen carefully used to different color or different string. See, okay, color are dye named as chromosome or named as chromosome. Next, Walter Fleming. Next, Walter Fleming name the division, longitudinal division of chromosome as mitosis. As mitosis. Here, mitosis means here mitos means fine structure or fine thread-like structure. Okay, a fine thread. Mitos means fine thread. Here, chromosome appear like a fine thread inside of the nucleus. Okay, that is why division of these string-like structures chromosome, the division was named as mitosis by Walter Fleming. Who? Walter Fleming. Understanding. Next, another important proposition of the Walther-Fleming on this topic or cell division process was chromosome are in double in nature. Chromosomes are in double. Okay, means are double in nature. Chromosomes are double in nature. This is very important proposition of the Walther. Observe all important statements proposed by Walther Fleming in 1879. Observe carefully. Next, another scientist, Wilhelm Rauch. Wilhelm Rauch, another famous scientist. Later, Wilhelm Rauch, he also conducted number of experiments on cell division topics. Ultimately, he stated that chromosome listen carefully here, chromosome carried the different sets of hereditary elements, different sets of hereditary elements. For example, this is a chromosome, this is another chromosome. These two chromosomes carry two different sets of these elements means hereditary elements. Actually now they are calling usually gene. Okay, here are alleles, different elements. For example, here one type of hereditary element is present. Here another type of hereditary element is present. Like this, chromosome is stated who Wilhelm Rauch stated that chromosomes carry different sets of hereditary elements. For example, here X, here Y. Okay, this is one type of hereditary element. This is another type of hereditary element. Okay, like this very important proportionality. Next, he supported the statement proposed by Walther Fleming that chromosomes divide longitudinally. Now, already he stated Walther Fleming, chromosomes divide longitudinally. Here, Walther, here, Wilhelm also supported the statement. Okay, and based on that statement stated while chromosomes are dividing, then along with chromosomes, hereditary elements are also divided. Listen carefully here. For example, these two chromosomes here. When these two chromosomes are like this separated, okay, like this separated, then listen carefully here. Uh, here, these two copies. Actually, here, two copies these are. When these two are separated, then here hereditary elements are also separated. Here is here Y. Like next, he supported. Listen, he supported the another famous scientist who Mendel, Gregor Johann Mendel, Wilhelm Rauch, combined with the rediscovery of the Mendel, Gregor Johann Mendel. Then ultimately he stated the chromosome they play a central role. Listen carefully here. Chromosome play a central role for carrying the hereditary information or hereditary element from one generation to next generation. So very important statement proposed by Wilhelm Rauch. Wilhelm Rauch. Understanding? Okay, observe. It's an important statement. Next here, when cells are divided, listen carefully here. When cells are divided, then what will happen? What will happen? To equal to equal house to equal house of the cell are formed when cells divide. When cells divide, then two equal halves of the cell form. Two equal halves of the cell. Listen carefully here. They have same number of chromosomes. They have same number of chromosomes. Means here chromosome number is same in two halves of the cell. It's important one here. Chromosome number is same. Okay, observe all important points. Okay, next, a biologist wonders about an important topic, that is when cells are divided, when cells are divided into two cells. For example, here this is a cell, here two cells. Chromosome number is same. Listen carefully here. Chromosome number is same in two new daughter cells. When chromosome number of these two cells is similar with their parent cell. About this topic, biologists and other scientists wonder how this type of situation occurs. What is the principle and which type of mechanism is going on here? Like this, different types of questions originated in minds of the biology. Next, for example, this type of listen, if this type of condition occurs in each and every cell of the body, what will happen? For example, stem cell. Imagine stem cell. Next, egg cell. Here, number is, imagine in all body cells chromosome number is similar, then here chromosome number is 46, here chromosome number is 46. Understanding? Now, when these two cells are fused, zygote is formed here. Here zygote, listen carefully here, zygote gets 46 plus 46, okay, total 92 chromosome. 92 chromosome. Understanding? This is a cell here, means zygote. Observe, this is here zygote. Then next division, this is here zygote. From this zygote, a complete body of organism is formed. From this body of organism, again, stem and ovum are formed. Here 92 chromosomes are present. When these two cells are fused during the fertilization, what will happen? Zygote is formed here. Of the here. This zygote contains 184 chromosomes. This is zygote here. What? Zygote. From this zygote, a complete organism is formed. From that organism, again, stem, ovum are formed. Listen carefully here. Ovum, stem. Next, example, ovum 184, here 184. When these two are fused, then here 368 chromosomes, and so on. Like this, as here, if chromosome number of all body cells is similar, what will happen? This type of condition occurs. Means in each generation of the here, this is a generation, this another generation, here another. In each generation of the here, chromosome number increase. If chromosome number is similar or same in all body cells, what will happen? Like this condition occur. But this type of condition This type of condition here is not occurred in human body. Okay, because in vegetative cell means in body cells or somatic cells, one type of cell division occurs. In reproductive cells, another type of cell division occurs. Okay, that is why this type of condition is not occurred in organism. Okay, observe clearly. Next, another scientist, August Weismann. August Weismann. Actually, he is a poor-sighted man. Actually, he has poor eyesight. Okay, poor eyesight. That is why to conduct a different types of experiments, to discover the new things, to discover new, to state new statements, a new proposition. Usually, August Weismann, he used the more time. Listen carefully. He took more time, a maximum time for thinking. Listen carefully. Microscope. For example, microorganisms are here, chromosome, other stages of the cell division. Then to see the chromosome or to see different types of stages of the cell division, actually we should use microscope. To observe the small structures under microscope, we should have very good eyesight. But August Weismann, he has very poor eyesight. That is why he did not see the small structures under microscope. He took more time for thinking, for imagination, understanding. By thinking or by imagination, August Weismann proposed a number of very famous propositions. Understanding? Okay, observe what are the main important propositions. First one, in successive generation, individuals of the same species. Listen carefully here. Listen carefully. In successive generation, individuals of the same species have same number of chromosomes. Here, individuals. Individuals of have same number of chromosomes. Next, another one is in successive cell division. In successive cell division, chromosome numbers are chromosomes. Number of chromosomes, this number is constant. Listen carefully here. Remain constant. Number is remain constant. Or number of chromosomes is constant. Observe here. This is important to proposition proposed by August Weismann. In successive generation, individuals of same species, all individuals have same number of chromosomes. Here in successive cell division, number of chromosomes is constant in all new cells. In all new cells. Observe carefully. These two are very important two statements proposed by August Weismann. Observe carefully. Two important statements these are. Next, during the 1904, during 1904, listen carefully. Famous scientist Theodore Boveri. Theodore Boveri. He confirmed, listen, he confirmed the scheme of mitotic division, scheme of mitotic phase, or scheme of cell division. Okay, here scheme of mitotic division or mitosis. This scheme was confirmed by Theodore Boveri. Theodore Boveri. Here he represented the entire scheme of mitosis with a diagram. Let us see the diagram. condition is present in reproductive cell. After meiosis process, only haploid N condition is present. Chromosome number 40 chromosomes. Cell division in human being. Human cell division in human being. Here, cell is the structural and functional unit of life. Cell is a structural unit, means entire structure of the human being is made up of cells. Because of cell division process, entire structure is formed. Without cell division, cell number does not increase. To develop or to form the entire structure of the human being, cell division process is very important. Cell division process plays very important role here. Understanding? For example, zygote. Zygote is the first cell of the life. Zygote is the first cell of a new organism. This zygote is involved in cell division. After several cell division, after 9 months, you know very well that after 9 months, cell division modifies the zygote into a baby. Next, after 20 years, cell division makes the baby as an adult human being. Adult human. Understanding? And dependent on its division. Without cell division, zygote does not modify in adult human being. Okay, there is a cell division plays very important role here. Means maximum cells in human body divide and form new cells. Okay, but some cells in human body, they do not divide. Okay, they do not divide never. For example, heart cell. For example, heart. Next, brain cell. Never divide. They never divide. But maximum cells are new cells. For example, another bone marrow cell. Bone marrow. Here, bone marrow continuously divides into new cells. Means here bone marrow develops bone are formed from the bone marrow continuously because of the cell division in bone marrow. You know very well that lifespan of the red blood cells, this is 120 days. 120 days. After 120 days, red blood cells, they die. Understanding? And they die and degenerate. That is why red blood cells are continuously from the bone marrow because of cell division. Next, are the sites of injury, are the place of signaling. Some signals, okay, different types of signals from some cells. They signal send to the cells around the cells present around the wound, okay, or site of the injury. Then what will happen? Whenever they receive the signals from other cells, okay, or from brain, those cells are involved in cell division and form new cells. Ultimately, they heal the injury. Understanding? Like the cell division process, cell division plays very important role at different situations. Okay, like this here. At some conditions, for example, cancer cells. Cancer cells, they do not respond to these type of signals. They do not respond. They do not stop the division. They continuously divide and form number of new cells at a place. They form number of new cells at a place. And all new cells are collectively formed and tumors. Okay. What? Tumors. आप कैसा रहा? Tumors. These are called here cancer tumor.